God bless you. Come on, Nick, get the ball, get the ball. Come on. Come on, White, come on, White.
Get underneath, Alex, get underneath.
So the home only has 8.
Oh, yeah? Good.
Good job.
Pick, Alex. Pick. Go pick.
I'm like over here. I'm watching over here on the.
I don't know what just happened.
I was watching over there and I had to point over there. I don't.
All right,
Yay! Come on, get White. Come on, White. Wow, a lot of kids falling down on the ground today. Well, on their team. On the other team. Acrobatic team. Come on, White. Come on, White. Come on, Alex. Get the rebound. Oh, okay, not so fast, Nick. You're going to lose control.
all right,
Good job, boys. Come on, White.
Down, Alex. Hands up, Alex. Get down and open. Get down for the rebound, Alex. Alex, you're on offense. Get under the basket.
He's going to love you, Alex.
Why he's following this guy on offense?
Because he's tough.
Come on, White. Oh.
Keep your dribble, Alex. Alex, go up. Keep your dribble. Go.
Good job, Alex. Good job.
There you go.
Almost. Is it the same kid that keeps falling? That number 1?
Yeah.
He lands on the. He was just on the ground
Nick,
again.
set that pick again. Nick, set that pick.
Come on, Nick. Oh. Under the bit. Yay! Good job, White.
Box out.
Good job, Alex.
Set the pick, Alex. Set the pick. Nick, go, Nick. Go all the way. Lay up. There you go. All right.
Oh, wait. Well, I'll get Jamie.
Jamie, I've got some really good video of you. Because I was busy watching the game.
Oh, my God. Come on, Alex.
Alex, come on.
Oh, oopsie, Good job, good job, good job, good job. Yay! Good job, White. I don't even know our team name.
I don't think I do either.
Box out, box out.
Whoopsie.